odometry is really important for the robot, because unless and until you don't fix the odometry, it is not going to help you, because we have studied transformations, right? The map frame, the odom frame, and then the other frames of the robot. Okay, these are connected. So if the odom frame is not running, how the mapping is going to happen, right? So that is really important. So how to manage the odometry, okay, without using the motor with encoders? That is the big thing, okay, because unless and until we are not giving the feedback to the robot, it is not going to localize, it is not going to understand its own position. So that is the real thing. But in this project we didn't use motor with encoders, so it is possible to navigate the robot using without encoders, okay. But for that reason we are using the cartographer for mapping, okay, and the slam.lua file in ROS. So where we fake the odom, we don't use the motor with encoders to get the robot position, but we just fake the odometry, okay, so that the transformation will be completed, okay. So the map and the odom frame will be connected, and the odom and base link will also be connected intactly, okay. So that's how we fake the odometry. It is not such that we are giving any like position from the motor without encoders. It is not going to happen. We are using the lidar sensor here, so in order to localize the robot, it is not going to be very precise, but just tweaking the navigation parameters according to the bot, how the bot moves. So that's how we manage the motor without encoders, okay. Else I will suggest, if you have the budget, go for the motor with encoders. That's the best way for the localization. But again, if you don't have it, relax, you can use motor without encoders, and you have to just do very deep tweaking for navigation, and you will be able to do the navigation part as well. But remember, you will face some consequences, like with the parameters, the robot drifts whenever it moves. All those things will happen while mapping as well. So make sure that you tweak the parameters and get the results, again tweak it, get the results. So that is the only way, okay. And study the parameters as well from the nav to documentation. That is going to help you a lot. So yeah, this was for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn and explore together. Bye.